scholars, welcome back to this chapter on emphatic stress. Let us answer some past questions from the years 2019 and 2022. The instruction says, in each of the questions, the word in capital letters has emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. Question 1. Aderonke stated she had a right to her privacy. The right option is option A. Did Aderonke lament she had a right to her privacy? The selected emphasized word is stated. Answering the question in option A would give emphasis to the word stated in the sentence. Question 2. She works at the hospital. Our answer is option D. In the sentence, she works at the hospital, the word works indicates that she has a job or performs some duties at the hospital. Option D directly addresses this aspect by asking, what does she do at the hospital? This question seeks to understand her specific job or responsibility at the hospital. Question 3. John's watch is made of gold. The answer will be option C. Is John's watch made of silver? In this question, emphasis is laid on the word gold. Question 4. Omo's brother won a radio. The corresponding question to this statement is option C. Did Omo's brother win a phone? When this question is asked, your response will be no. Omo's brother won a radio. Question 5. The junior boy cleaned the floor. The emphasis is laid on the word boy. The right option will be option B. Did the junior girl clean the floor? Question 6. Doris is a meticulous worker. The answer is option A. Is James a meticulous worker? This question is used to emphasize the word Doris. Question 7. 3 top executives requested to see the manager. The answer is B. Did 3 top executives decline to see the manager? The emphasis was laid on the word request. Question 8. John was a football legend. The answer is option B, as emphasis is laid on the word legend. Question 9. Our mathematics teacher has been transferred. The answer is option A. Has their mathematics teacher been transferred? Emphasis is laid on the word are. Okay, scholars, I'll see you in lesson 3 of this chapter. Click on the next video. Bye for now.